Hey guys, it is 2023 and we are here in Las Vegas at the Luxor, and this is going to be a room tour of number 2030. Now, there's some good and there's some bad that you're about to see. I will tell you that the 2030 is not going to be my primary room because I asked to switch rooms, and you'll see why. But as you first come into this room, you are amazed. To be honest with you, I am extremely happy about this room. The first thing I notice is the smell of citrus. It is clean and smells great. Right here we have a big mirror as first as you walk in. What's up, guys? And then to our left, we have a huge entertainment center here. Big TV, marble table, and definitely, wait a second, did I see this? Oh, there's nothing in there. I thought for a second because of this, it's a safe, but it's definitely a weird kind of safe. Okay, all right. Yeah, our TV's pretty huge. It's hard to see because it's dark. We do have this walk-in little closet here. Yes, you can walk into it. I don't care what you say. Check it out. I will do it right now. See? Taking me to Narnia. Anyways, it's really, really huge. Really nice. Hard to see. I'm sorry, guys. The lighting's not all the best. This area, really nice. Look at that. This is just like a hangout area. You could just sit on there, read some books, get all the stuff done that you need to during the day. I'm definitely going to take advantage of that table. The lamps in the bed area, once again, really nice. Now, let's check out the bathroom real quick. We're going to rush through this real fast here. It is a nice bathroom. Okay, way better than some places that I've stayed before. I really do like this. It's got some good pressure. This is our take-home goodies. Some towels over here in the corner. Big mirror. And then we come over here and we have a walk-in shower. Good thing about the walk-in shower is they actually have a high-quality looking power. Well, the last place that I was at really didn't have too much power. We're doing tours at different hotels this week. So we have a video that we did at Treasure Island, and then we also have a video at the Mirage. The Mirage is my #1 hotel room so far in this tour. Now, this right here is the reason that I asked for a new room. I was so excited about the view, and then I opened it and ta-da! We are staring at a concrete wall. Yeah, no, that's not why I came to the Luxor. The one thing about the Luxor is their views, you know, and this is definitely not a good view. So I would highly try to stay away from this kind of a room, which is a lower level room. You have to ask for a higher level room. And I didn't know that, but now I know that. But they are on their way to bring me some keys to a new higher level room, which we'll be happy to take a video of, and we'll include it on this video here. So this is going to be a 2-in-1 room tour. Woohoo! For the first time! Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's do it. Here we go. As promised, here we go. We got our new room, 14101. Luxor. And the first thing is this view here. See, this is so much better. So if you guys are coming here to the Luxor to stay, you need to ask. Because I didn't ask at first, but you need to ask for a room that has a view. There's the food court down there. Because if you don't, you might be ending up in that first room that has no view. So when we opened this door, the first thing I noticed right off the bat was the layout is pretty much the same thing. So as you see, it looks exactly like the other room that we were just in. The carpet, the bed, the fixtures, exactly. It's just reverse. It's on the opposite side of the room now. So how funny is that, right? The bed does look a little bit bigger though, which is kind of funny. I think it's because of that splash down there at the bottom. I don't think the other one had that, or if it did, maybe I didn't notice. See, look at this. Exact same entertainment center, that huge TV, and I mean, it's nothing wrong with it being exactly the same thing, you know, your kick-it chairs and your area over here, because I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. Now, asking for a better view, they did give me a better view. So as you can see, we have the Excalibur as our view. I wanted something, you know. The thing is at night, this is going to be all lit up, so it's going to be really nice at night. As you can see, I still have these big old things here blocking my view a little bit of the strip, so I can't see the strip. But that's okay. At least I'm not staring at a brick wall like I was in the beginning. This room, guys, is nice. It does smell like, it's definitely a citrusy smell. So I would definitely say this is worth it to me. I have booked on Vegas.com to get the discount. This room was showing at $180 a night. Come on now, who wants to pay that, right? Because you still have to pay the resort fees on top of that. So what I did is I went on the website and I found that I can get it for $50 a night. I'm telling you, Vegas.com right now is kicking some butt. When we come into the bathroom, we have the same view as we had in the other room, exact same layout, same shower. Nice backdrop. So nothing really special additionally that I need to provide in this video for you guys. Just let you know that, hey, when you come to the Luxor, you better ask for a good room with a good view. And also try checking out Vegas.com for the best deals on the hotels. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm also going to be posting my room at the Treasure Island, and I'm also going to be posting my room at the Mirage this week as well. We are trying out different hotels on the Strip in 2023. Thanks for watching. So have to put this shot in here. Hey guys, thank you for watching the room tour. I'm just going to show you a quick video of their pool area. I have a Luxor pool area that I had taken 15 years ago probably, and it used to be way bigger than this. So they really pushed it down. Unknown reasons why. Still nice. I will tell you, it's not as nice as the Mirage is, but it's still not bad. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning and it's like 80 degrees out here. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching.